up, guys? Back again with another video. Today we doing a sneaker review, and this is actually on a designer sneaker. We have the LV, and this is the LV Trainer. Let me take a look at the product code for you guys, because you know these type of sneakers come in product codes. All of them pretty much have codes, but if you look for this particular one, it's the LV Trainer sneaker, product ID 1A8PUD is the actual product ID of these sneakers. And the reason why I point that out is because if you go on Louis Vuitton, all of these are handmade. These are a little bit different. They are UK sizes. This is the actual size, 9.5 in the UK, 10.5 in the US. And I did open these, that's why it doesn't have the ribbon across the top. But slide box and dust bags is what you get. And of course, the actual LV envelope when you make your order online. They probably do give you this in store too. I'm pretty sure they give this to you in store as well. Purchases in store, I have gotten that before. But this is the ribbon that it came with. So if it's inside the box, that means, of course, I already opened these already. I had to take a look at them. I couldn't help myself. But of course, we have the dust bag there inside the dust bag. We're going to just take one of them out here, and if you guys want, probably at the end of the video I'll do a little bit of an on feet for you guys. But this sneaker has some weight to it, and unlike basketball sneakers, of course, you know, guys like sneakers light, so you know they're easy to maneuver in if you're playing basketball, especially if we're talking about sneakers. But this sneaker got some weight to it, and that means they're a little more expensive, a little more exclusive. But the price on these, retail price is $1,180, so $1,180 for this sneaker. And immediately, amazing, translucent bottom. And what I noticed about the sneaker as I was taking a look at the shoe when I first opened it is it has LV on the toe box, it has LV on the tongue, and it has LV on the back. So you can tell that they took the sneaker and then across the whole sneaker they use the actual print, the leather print. It's in leather and it has some suede on it, and that's actual real suede and leather. So you have the leather print, monogram print, LV. And then if you pay attention to the details on each sneaker, you notice that there are seamless across both sneakers. So pretty hard to replicate this sneaker. If you take a look at the replicas that are out there, I haven't seen a replica of this particular sneaker, but it has certain identities to it, like this little peak right here at the bottom. It's very unique, and you will find that same peak at the bottom at the midsole. You will find it on the other sneaker as well, identical to this one. And then you have the LV signature print inside of the translucent on the side there. But this is a well-made shoe. You have LV in the inside, and this is the LV Trainer sneaker, retail $1,180, size 10.5. These fit true to size. So one thing about UK sizes is that if you pay attention to the size chart, you can get a size 9.5, which would be US 10.5, and the shoe fits perfect. This shoe I wear 10.5 US, and the shoe fits awesome. But to get into some of the details of the sneaker, as you can see on the eyelid parts of the sneaker, you have Louis Vuitton, it says it there. You have LV right there up on the upper with a little bit of kind of like a mesh. It's not see-through, you can't see through it, but it's like a little mesh design there. You have the suede going all the way around the toe box, and they kind of broke up the leather in between the actual toe area and the toe box. You can see that you have the material going across the toe there, and then they break it up with suede, and then they put the LV right on the top of the toe on this one. You have black strings, all black sneaker with a white midsole. Outsole is translucent with Louis Vuitton on the bottom there, and this shoe is made in Italy. Very well made sneaker. And I would say with this particular sneaker, you don't have to be too careful with it either. You can actually put these on, you can wear them, rock them and stuff like that. And also I think that the fact that these came in dust bags, that will definitely help out with the longevity of the sneaker, because after you get through wearing them, try to, you know, spray them down with some shoe cleaner or something like that. Wipe off the bottom put them inside of the dust bag, and that should preserve the translucent bottom for at least some years. I would say you can, for a few years, you can definitely preserve that from yellowing for a very good while. But this here, guys, is the Louis Vuitton LV trainer, right? This is the LV trainer I gave you guys the product ID if you wanted to take a look at these. One thing that I notice about Louis Vuitton online is that a lot of the sneakers be sold out. Now, if you go in store, the shoes do be available in store a lot of the times. And also, too, a good tip is you can actually call. If it say that the shoe is out of stock online, call the 1-800 number and ask them, do you have the shoe in stock? What they can do is they can check all the stores, and if the shoe is available somewhere, they'll be able to order the shoe for you online right over the phone and get the shoe or the sneaker sent out to you. And that's not just for the sneakers, that's with any of the products that are online. If it says sold out online, you have a good chance of calling the number and they can find the shoe or whatever item that you're looking for available online or in store. They can have that item shipped out to you. Just a little tip if it says it's sold out online. So, but this is a Louis Vuitton sneaker. Let's see how these look on feet.